In Excel, both SUMIF and SUMIFS are functions used to sum values based on certain criteria. However, they differ in terms of the number of criteria they can handle. SUMIF is used to sum a range of values based on a single criterion or condition. The function takes three arguments: the range of values to sum, the criterion or condition, and an optional range of values to sum if the criterion is not met. The syntax for the SUMIF function is as follows: =SUMIF range, criteria, sum range. SUMIFS, on the other hand, is used to sum a range of values based on multiple criteria or conditions. The function takes two or more pairs of arguments, a range of values to sum, and the corresponding criterion or condition for each range. The syntax for the SUMIFS function is as follows: =SUMIFS sum range, criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2, criteria range 3, criteria 3. In summary, SUMIF is used to sum values based on a single criterion, while SUMIFS is used to sum values based on multiple criteria.